Welcome to this next video from our beginning kids course over at ukelikethepros.com. Matter of fact, in this song here that we're going to teach right here, it's actually going to be two songs in one. What two songs could have the same melody and progression? Don't worry, we're going to get into that in a second. But what's cool about this video, this course, we're going to teach you something new. We're going to teach you the open C tuning. Check this out. G, C, E, and G again. And that gives you that open C chord for it. It's a great chord for beginners, great way to learn. Okay, and I want to give a shout out to my partners, guitarsintheclassroom.org, Jessica Barron, the founder over there, Chord Education. They're really leading the way with teaching this C method here, the C open C tuning, getting music into classrooms, getting ukuleles into classrooms as well for free too, by the way. Free education for kids. Absolutely fantastic. Guitarsintheclassroom.org. Absolutely phenomenal. We support them big time here at You Like the Pros. So we'll put a link to that below so you can go check them out as well. All right. So this video, okay, what I said, two songs in one. Okay. What songs could have two melodies, two different lyrics? How about this? It's going to be Merrily We Roll Along and Mary Had a Little Lamb. Hi, I'm Terry Carter. Welcome to You Like the Pros. Man, this is so fun. I'm having a blast playing these songs, arranging these songs, and doing these kids songs, these nursery rhymes. And it's just a fun time. So I'm doing this video for you because I want you to get an idea of what my full course is, the complete beginning kids course over at ukelikethepros.com. We'll put a link of that below. All right, before we get there though, we got a monthly, we give away a ukulele every single month right here on the channel. You got to do a couple things. Make sure to subscribe right here. You Like the Pros. Also turn on that bell notification and then click that link below, which is ukelikethepros.com/win. You got to sign up and that's it. Then you're automatically entered to win that monthly ukulele that we give away every single month right here at the #1 store online, which is store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, so in this video, I'm playing my soprano. Okay, this is my Opio Coaloha with the spruce top. I do have the high G. I am using a strap this time. And this tuning here that we're using for the kids course is the open tuning, which is G, that is a high G, C, E, and G again. That way your first string and your fourth string are the same, which is G. And that gives you the open C chord right there, which is great, especially for kids or especially if you're a beginner. All right, so this one's going to use that C chord. And it's also going to add the G7 chord. Now for the G7 chord, all you got to do is add right here, which is open fourth string, my second finger or middle finger on the third string, second fret, my first finger on the second string, first fret, and then open first string. And that gives you the G7 chord. All right, so this song or songs, Merrily We Roll Along and Mary Had a Little Lamb. We're going to be doing it with the slow backing track. We're going to be doing it with the fast backing track as well. So much fun. Now, if you're going to sing with me, the first note is your open E note here, Merrily. And it's going to go, the rhythm here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do this. Down, 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 hold. Down, 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 hold. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So notice on beat 4, I'm not strumming. I'm also going to use my index finger to strum down here. Okay, if you want to use your thumb, that's totally fine as well. Matter of fact, both your thumb or your index fingers are fine, especially for this fun strumming. But I would like you to get both of them down. So, because we are going to be needing the index finger only when we do some harder songs down the road in that beginning course I was talking to you about at ukelikethepros.com. All right, so it's going to go like this. Merrily we roll along. Now G7, roll along. Now C, roll along. All right, that's the first half of it. Excuse me, got a little frog in my throat. The second half is Merrily we roll along. And now G7, over the deep blue sea. Then, when we do the backing track, we're going to repeat it all, and we're going to do Mary Had a Little Lamb, which is the same exact melody with the new lyrics. So, are you ready? Hey, are you excited? Let's try now both songs with the slow backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. Merrily we roll along, roll along, and roll along. Merrily we roll along over the deep blue sea. And Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. All right, how did you do with that slow backing track? Did you get that change from the C chord to the G7? Remember, we want that G7. You want all those strings to ring out nice and clear. So make sure you're playing on your fingertips and you're keeping those knuckles nice and rounded right there. All right, now what we're gonna do, matter of fact, you can leave a comment below how you did on that slow backing track. Now the way we like to do it is 1 to 5. 1 meaning you got it, but you need some more work. 5 meaning you crushed it, okay? That you can even do the strum pattern, you can do the chords, and you can even sing along, all right? But I like to push you. I like to push you because I know what you're capable of. You're capable of a lot more than you think you can, but you got to step out of that comfort zone and do it. So we're going to do the same thing, both songs with the backing track, except this one is the fast backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. Merrily we roll along, roll along, roll along. Merrily we roll along over the deep blue sea. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. All right, how did you do on that faster backing track? I know it's a little faster, but not too bad, not too bad. Getting these chords down, getting this tuning down, getting the strumming down, all that kind of stuff, right? Leave a comment below, 1 to 5. 1 to 5, 1 meaning need some work. 5 meaning crushed it, singing along, playing along, no problem. I love to hear that in the comments below. All right, this is from our beginning kids course, ukelikethepros.com/kids. All right, this is an entire course for kids, over 17 videos, songs, teaching you this kind of stuff right here. Okay, great for kids, great for parents, great for grandparents, great for the older ukulele player as well, and also great for teachers. If you're a teacher, classroom teacher, private teacher, absolutely phenomenal as well. And again, I want to give a shout out to guitarsintheclassroom.org. They do fantastic things. They're getting ukuleles in the classroom. They're teaching music to teachers, to kids for free, and they're using this open C tuning, which is absolutely phenomenal. So give a shout out to them, guitarsintheclassroom.org, Jessica Barron, Chord Education, everything. All right, absolutely fantastic organization. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this. I appreciate the comments and subscribing, smashing the like button, all that stuff. Don't forget, you do have a chance to win an ukulele every single month that we give away right here on my channel. And if you like this song that we did, this style, you like what we're doing here, you got to check it out. Beginning Kids course over at ukelikethepros.com/kids. We'll put a link below. Entire course just like this. Absolutely fantastic. So thanks for being here. I appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one.